Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust white balance on SJCAM SJ8 PRO. To adjust the white balance, click on the magic wand, this second from right option on the bottom row. Then you'll find white balance. Click on it and you can set it to auto, so it'll automatically adjust it. In most cases it's the best option, but sometimes you may want to set it to sunny, so it's like, if it's sunny outside you can set it to that, so the white balance doesn't change throughout the whole recording. This is why it's especially helpful. So if you later on want to edit the video, maybe cut out some parts, it won't appear weird when the white balance is automatically changing. Then there's also option cloudy, fluorescent, or underwater. And you can see in underwater it looks sort of like very orangish because water is blue. In fluorescent it's getting a little bit more, like the hue is changing to more purple. Cloudy is a bit more warm, sunny is a bit colder, and auto is just auto. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.